Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and I have another special apartment to show you today. Really close to El Tesoro. This one is a beautiful 3-bedroom apartment with an amazing deck overlooking the city. Epic city views. And then right down there, we're only 4 short blocks from El Tesoro. You can see the yellow tower right there where El Tesoro is. So this is an amazing location. With a beautiful deck, as you can see. This is one of the neighborhoods that is my favorite neighborhood. Always in my top 3 here. Really, really beautiful kitchen. Open plan. Take another view here. And what I love about this apartment is the way the person has done the office here. Done a really nice job. I probably should have got them to do the video because if anyone knows, you know what that is. Take one last overview of the living room here, and we will take a look starting the principal master bedroom. As always, I will put the price, square meters, all the stats in the end screen. His and hers. Sink, rain shower, and a really nice appointed master bedroom. Again, private deck just off the master. And what I love about this building here, I'm going to show you guys the amenities later, but right over here, I believe this was the owner of Poblado, which I believe still owns Nacional, the soccer team here, or the football team for the locals. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but from my understanding, this was donated to the city of Medellin, and so it's going to be non-developed. Okay, so again, that is my understanding. But again, this location is great because right here you've got, I believe this is Superior, okay, that goes right over to El Tesoro. So the location is killer. And again, here you have the deck I'm standing on, and then the main deck right here. Up above, I'm going to take you guys up to the pool deck. Okay, and take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. A little later in the afternoon here, so I don't have the perfect sun, but both of these bedrooms have their own ensuite, so this is perfect for a family. Okay, and in all the units, very same shower I have in my place. Really nice rain shower. Take a look at the other I guess technically this would be four bedrooms, because the office could be counted as a bedroom also. And another deck out here that's shared with the other. But I love the views here. Really love the views. So, and a little walk-in closet. Okay, and we have here the other washroom. Again, every bedroom here has the ensuite with the rain shower. Let's go take another look at the living room. Just out back there, I'll go back in a minute, is a utility room. It's the service quarters room, so if you would choose to have in people to look after the apartment, there's a room back there. So I guess technically it is 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Okay. But the thing that I love about this apartment, and this is a building where we've sold multiple units, is the view. This is one of the best views in the whole building here. Again, just over this way is Mall Tesoro. So you've got hundreds of stores and restaurants there. 2 major grocery stores. You've got Carulla in Mall Tesoro, and then across the street you have Éxito Wow, one of the nicest grocery stores in the city. But one of the main features, again, of this building is the entertainment deck. So let's go take a look at that now. But this is why a lot of the people love this building here. Really beautiful pool here with city views. All right. And then over here we have, again, more beautiful views. Over this way, there's people there, so I'm not going to go there now, but we have the jacuzzi over here, and then the steam room and sauna are just over here. So they've actually put in a really nice gym. Okay, really good working gym here. Got the universal weights over there. We have a chin-up bar, your dumbbells, everything you would need. I believe they have yoga mats also on the ball. And then just over here, his and hers changing rooms. And we're gonna end today with this view right here. Beautiful mountain views of Las Palmas. So hope you've enjoyed this little apartment tour today. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next one.